now I'm in Pangkal sub-district, exactly in Pamekasan district. Today, I'm with my friends. He's the local people here, so he's accompanied me to go to Puncak Ratu. The local people say so while you are watching my video, don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe. And also beside of subscribe there is a ring there. Here we go. There. Here we are. All right. Apa kabar? Wow, here we go. Let's going to later on. I would like to greeting to all my friend here. All right, we are here already. We are in Puncak Ratu Hill in Pamekasan district, exactly in Pakentenan sub-district. And for your information, my friends, the ticket here is very cheap. I think it's only 10,000, and the opening hours is about starting at 7 AM until 6. Just for information also. Here is, you know, the place of durian here. So if you want to come here, so you can get tourism attractive. And also, if you are a durian lover, you can eat in here too. You can buy as much as you can, but don't forget, bring money. So here is durian, and if you come to here, want to see what do you call that, the panorama here in Puncak Ratu Hill, and you can buy a durian. The exact time, if you want to come to here, is about December and also January. That is durian season in here. Well, check it out. Check it out. It's so beautiful. Wow. It's really recommended. Wow, it's dark. Let's go outside. So in Puncak Ratu Hill here is really Instagrammable. And also, just for your information here, if you bring a car, is you have to pay for that about 5,000 each car, and also just a motorbike you have to pay about 2,000. I think it's very cheap, you know. And for your information, from the central town Pamekasan district, it take about one hour to get in here. But the problem is, there is one thing a problem, but not a big deal. Here, there is no sign. There is no sign like the directions to this attractive tourism attractive. I mean. So if you come to here, you have to asking too many people, or maybe you can contact me. I will ask to my friends to accompany you. It's really Instagrammable. It's great. Okay. Let's see from the air. Use my drone. Let's go. see the round here. This is for photo spot here. You can take picture in here with your wife, with your girlfriends, with your friends maybe. And this house is look like in Hobbit house. Maybe they have an idea for that, for Hobbit house, but this is not house. You can through to that one, but this look like a Hobbit house. All right, this my friends in here. They're having a coffee there. Hi. Okay, so that one I think is a photo spot there. There are so many, not many, yeah. There are 3 maybe for the photo shoot. There you can take picture there, and you can see the ground. So, and that one is photo spot 2. There are 3 or 4 here, and this is house 3. House 3, yeah. Yeah, you can take picture here. Oh yeah, and just for information, my friends, there are 2 cafes here. So if you don't bring a drink or snack or a food to eat, you can check there. There is a cafe, and also there I saw you there. There are 2 cafes here. All right, let's go inside here. It's nice, yeah. So you may relax here. House 3. There is 1 chair here. So, but be careful, my friends. If you bring your sons, especially the children's, you should be, be careful. It's a big problem if your belonging or your son falling down there. It's quite high. All right. There is houses. Oh, what is that? For family gathering maybe. Let's check. Wow. What do you think? Okay, check. You may sit down there here with your family, enjoy the food maybe. See, there are so many places to hang around here with your friends, with your family, with your girlfriends, with your friends too. Okay. I'm here alone. Oh, not alone. I came here with my friends, and I came here at about it's almost night, so that's why this tourism's attractive, very quiet, no visitor, just only me and my friends. And also, you know what? I'm free. No ticket for me because they know me. All right, but for you, just for your information, if you come to here, the ticket for 1 person is 10,000, and if you bring a motorbike, you have to pay for the parking fee. It's 2,000, and then if you bring a car, you have to pay 5,000 each car. Really recommended. Really recommended. Why it's black? It's black. This place is really recommended. And just for last information, from the central town, Pamekasan district or Pamekasan town, it take about 1 hour to get to this tourism attractive. But very recommended. Instagrammable. Very Instagrammable. Well, let's continue to see Puncak Ratu Hill from the air. Let's go.